Hello, welcome everyone. Today we'll talk about completing sentence using the proverbs. Proverbs are some of the sentences used to indicate meaning that has deep meaning into something, and proverbs are going along for a long period of time. So usually when we complete sentence in the question completing sentences, we understand the part of the sentence and then we complete the sentence in full using phrases and clauses. But when there is a sentence, a part of a sentence which indicate it might be a proverb, then we complete the sentence using the exact proverb that we know. So we'll talk about five proverbs today. The first one is two wrongs don't make a right. It means when someone does something wrong to you, and if someone take revenge or he wants to take revenge on him, that only make things worse. So this proverb goes, two wrongs don't make a right. Number two, don't count your chickens before they are hatched. It means it means you need not to act on assumption that you will get or achieve something until you actually have it or you can be certain of success. So sometimes people be over ambitious and think something that it is yet to uh, achieve or something which is not possible. It is really going to happen soon, and this is something absurd also. So there is an example: you haven't even gotten the job yet and you want to go buy a new car. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. So this is a proverb. If you have a completing sentence, part of a sentence there, like don't count your chickens, let's say for example, don't count your chickens, this part is there and this part is the gap, so you will write before they are hatched. Okay. The next proverb, number three, the pen is mightier than the sword. It means the written word is more powerful than physical force. So sometimes the physical force is not enough. Okay, so written word, the words written by the writers and the powerful leaders can have more impact. Their speech can be powerful, and the speech can be written form, um, is spread all around the world, used by newspapers and television media and internet. This can go far away and create a great impact. That is why it is called the pen is mightier than the sword. So in your question, if it is like the pen is mightier, then you'll complete the sentence using than the sword. Okay. Now number four, Rome wasn't built in a day. It means that important things, the valuable matters, the valuable construction, or anything that is very important or significant do not happen very fast or quickly or overnight. Okay, so you require time. You need to give time to build something significant or which has some value. The last one, number five, no news is good news. Okay, so this is the last proverb that we're going to read to use it in completing sentences. In your question, if there is no news, is, and then there is a gap, let's say for example, no news is, and then there is a gap, you'll write good news. So this is a proverb. No news is good news. The meaning is, if one does not hear the outcome of a situation, that outcome must be positive. That means if somebody has gone for a decision making, some decision may be bad or good. If you do not hear something, you will have to understand that the outcome or the result will be good or this is a good news that he hasn't shared. Normally, what happens? The bad news or ill news run fast. This is another proverb. Ill news run fast. So whenever there is something bad, it goes faster. It goes viral. So if there is no news, you have to understand this is a positive thing, and this might be good news. So, dear student, to understand your completing sentence, some of the sentence might be some proverbial sentences. So you have to understand the value of a proverb, and whenever you complete a sentence, if you understand this is a part of the proverb sentence, so use what you know about that proverb. So thank you. This was the short lesson for today. Have a great day.